Hi, I'm going to show you how to connect the Eloquencer with the EME, with the EME. First of all, if you want to connect them both, you need firmware version in the Eloquencer above 130. So 131 or 135 or something above will work. Then the EME is provided with two cables. You probably know this one. This is the power cable, and it's connected with the red strip down. This one was easy. And the other cable, it's a 4-pin cable. That is the cable that we use to connect the EME with the Eloquencer. So here there are like two small arrows. These two small arrows have to go inside these two holes. So this connector in this place can only connect it in one position. There's no other possibility. The other side, that it's a little bit more difficult, but not so much. If you have a new Eloquencer from a fifth batch, that means that the serial number starts with 5, you will have the same connector here, so no problem. There's only one way to connect this. Then, if you have an Eloquencer from batch 2, 3, or 4, that means the serial number starts with 2, 3, or 4, you have to connect it in this connector. Here you have SB2 and SB1, so you need to connect in this one, SB2. And you have to connect it with the two arrows facing out. Okay, and then the third possibility is that you have a first batch Eloquencer. That means that the serial number starts with 1. You have to connect it on the same position, SB2, with the arrows facing out. The only problem here is that that hardware version uses rounded pins here. So if you connect this in its right position, the connector is a little bit loose or very loose. So here we have two options. One option is to change this connector, and the other option is to put a small drop of glue, of cyanoacrylate or some kind of glue that leaves this fixed, but it's a little bit dirty option. So for me the best option is to exchange this connector. If you have minimum soldering skills, DIY skills, it's really easy to do. And if somebody needs, I can do a video explaining how to do it, but it's like 3 minutes to do this. Okay, so that's all. Remember, version 130 or above to connect the EME and the Eloquencer.